Go. In our previous video, we were in Slidell on our way to Beaumont, Texas. Well, when the tornado watch did not affect us, but when they say tornado watch in Texas, we pay attention. You know, Texas tornado. This week, we leave Beaumont and head for Kerrville and a 2-day stop. And we're going for 1,000 subscribers. So wish us luck and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Really hard to get a plate with one hand. There's the train. Train and breakfast. So this is morning in Texas. The air conditioning was on last night. Hey Beth.
Hey.
This morning it was 50 degrees. The windows were open. It was really cold. But we're on 50 amp and we're able to turn that heater on, the fireplace heater. And we're across the street from a chemical plant. Just shooting out the window here. And an Elks Club with a very noisy road.
And trains.
And trains. There's trains too. It's really... Oh, you can hear one. What do we think about trains?
I like trains. They don't bother me at all. They wake me up sometimes, but I enjoy hearing trains.
Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning you get a train.
And then I just go back to sleep. You stay awake.
I stay awake a little bit longer, but I don't really mind it too much either. As long as I'm comfortable, I get back to sleep. And that's our Texas right now. We're still going to be in Texas. Texas is very long on 10. We don't drive. We drive but a couple hundred miles a day, so... Texas is a long ride from one end to the other. We're going to be in Sequin, Texas tonight at a RV park, but we're about an hour and a half outside of Houston. So we're going to wait until like 8:30 so that all the wage slaves can get in and do their jobs or whatever, and we'll zoom through Houston around 10 o'clock. So next thing you'll see is Houston.
I just wanted to add, yesterday we were scheduled to sleep at a Cracker Barrel, boondock in a Cracker Barrel, here in Beaumont, Texas. And there were polygons, there were storms, tornado warnings, and we didn't want to deal with trying to boondock during...
Bad camera work.
during a storm.
Oh, wait, more bad camera work.
We didn't want to try boondocking in a storm and pulling into a Cracker Barrel at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and staying there all day and all night. When we do Cracker Barrels, it's better, I think, if you arrive around,
roll in when it's dark.
Pull in when it's dark, or 5, 6 o'clock, as long as you're not in the way of the regular
Go have
customers. Dinner. And so I looked and I said, oh, there's an Elks Club in Beaumont. Let's go stay there.
Yep.
So that's where we are.
Here we are, Elks Club, Beaumont, Texas. Highlights: it's cold, and we're from Florida, so 56 right now is cold, and chemical plant across the street, lots of trains. But safe.
We're happy.
Safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And nice people here. They invited us for a drink at the bar.
Yep.
So.
And recliners. So.
Living the life.
It's over.
We had a very nice evening last night. There's our rig. We had to unhook the Jeep because the pull-through sight was not long enough for us. But I wanted to share this. There's the guy to call if you want to stay here. Although we just pulled up, went in, paid the barmaid, and spent the night. It was $35 for a 50 amp hookup for one night for Elks members. Out of Houston and entering Katy, Texas. Lots of people who go through here, once they survive Houston traffic and whatnot, will stop here at Buc-ee's, which is a lot of people know about, some don't, but it's a giant gas station rest area with lots of food, and there's lots of information out there about Buc-ee's, but it's worth a stop if you've never been there. Check it out. Arriving in Kerrville, heading over the river, and heading to the park. The park is actually right on the river.
That's a man. Food truck.
Oh, was that a food truck?
Yep.
So this is the Guadalupe River, and there's the park that we're going to be staying at. It's the Kerrville something. We'll see the sign. Kerrville Shriner Park. Shriner Park. Kerrville Shriner Park.
One of the worst pizzas I ever had came from that place, right?
Yeah.
Needs must.
It's not a pizza place anymore, so there's that.
It wasn't a pizza place when we
Okay, your turn is right here, baby.
got some video of Beth driving. She's an excellent driver.
Thank you.
That's it for this video. We're on our way from Florida to California on I-10. Our next video will cover more of Kerrville, Texas, and the HEB market just before Thanksgiving. It's crowded. So we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you like the video, check out our channel and subscribe. And we'll see you up and down the road.